Welcome to another Angel on the Go, and we are again at Walmart, and we are on the hunt for more Pioneer Woman.
Or just more clearance.
Always more clearance. But we came across this. So this is one we have not seen. This is the Pioneer Woman.
Wait a minute, I just gotta show them this. Look at how big this is, you guys. Look at this. Look at the pattern. All right, you guys, so this is what we found. Again, this is Pioneer Woman. And if you guys missed out on the video we did yesterday, you guys have to see it. You remember all that Pioneer Woman stuff that we found? We found a ton of stuff, you guys. So hopefully you guys scored. Yep. But here's more. I mean, I thought we were done, but I guess not. This is a huge laundry hamper, a laundry basket. Again, this is Pioneer Woman. And let me show you the UPC. And does it say exactly what it is?
If I scan it, it'll probably say.
Okay,
exactly
we're gonna scan it. I believe this is a laundry basket. And can you take one down?
What's your name?
Yeah, take it down. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the straps. So it comes with these straps, so it's easy to carry. You guys can see the bottom right here. It has the floral print, and I'm gonna show you the inside. Look at that color, you guys. So this is what you guys need to look for. This print and this inside. And right now we're gonna scan it. Is there like a regular price? I don't see the regular price. We found it in this area. So if you guys are near the laundry baskets, this is where we found it. We don't know what tag belongs to what, but we're gonna scan this for you.
Well, just going off of what we've seen before, I know it's high price. It's at least over $20 for this thing.
At least, yes. And that's lowballing it. Okay, so my husband's gonna scan it, and we gotta make sure we're in the right store.
All right.
Okay, let me see.
There you go.
Look at this, you guys. Only on Angel on the Go. Pioneer Woman Canvas Hamper. So this is the Breezy Bloom Floral. And again, this is the hamper for clothes. $5. Does it have the regular price on
So I looked on, it doesn't have this one on Walmart.com, but just to kind of give you a comparison, they have a smaller one, which is already $16.
Can you hold it down?
And then this one here is $36, and that's like half the size of it.
Okay, so these are the, hold on a second. That's the pattern. This is the same pattern right here, and you guys can see how small this one is. This one is actually saying $15.98. They have this laundry basket, which is much smaller too. That's a different pattern, but that one is $36.78. And this one says in-store purchase only, so I don't even think it's available online. No. So you guys have to run. Look at this, you guys. How many did we get?
9.
Okay, we got 9. We left some over on the end, but we got 9. So again, this is what you guys need to be looking for. I'm going to show you the tag one more time, and I'm going to show you the UPC in case you guys missed it. And let us know in the comments if you scored. We're going to go ahead and keep looking, you guys.
All right, so just to give you another example, this is in the store right now. And this is a Pioneer Woman little drawstring laundry bag. So this is nothing compared to what we found here. And this little product right here is $8.82.
You want to scan it for
me?
him?
Like yeah,
all right.
I got to start remembering these prices. All right, so real quick.
So we're going to scan it for you guys, just so you guys can see the price of this little tiny drawstring hamper. Or is that the name of it?
$8.82 for a drawstring laundry basket.
Wow.
And this is in no way comparison to this big laundry basket that we have here.
So this, you guys, is almost $9 by itself. This one is $5, and look how big it is.
The good thing about this too is if you're not using it and you don't want it in your way, it's easy to kind of store and get out of your way. So it kind of folds up and you can store it anywhere.
Oh, that's good.
So, but it's nice and sturdy.
Oh, you're like a magician doing that.
I am a magician.
All right, so again, this is what you guys are going to be looking for, and we're going to see if we can spot any more Pioneer Woman clearance. If not, we're going to find you guys some more other clearance. Stay tuned. All right, this might look like a second Pioneer Woman video. What do you think? Okay, we showed you guys in the Pioneer Woman video we did. Was it yesterday we put it up? Yeah, it was yesterday. And we showed you these in the store. And I believe they were ringing up $5. Now, we went to 2 other Walmarts today, and they were actually scanning up $10. So we are at another Walmart, and these are scanning up even cheaper. Again, this is the Pioneer Woman stainless steel tumbler, and it has a special, or it has a splash-proof sliding lid, which is right here. And it has a double wall vacuum insulated. It's a 20-ounce tumbler, and we only seen this style. So we showed you in a prior video yesterday they had 2 different ones, but at this store they only have one. Now if you turn it around, you guys can see the price of $10.55. We found these in clearance. It looks like the regular price might have been $12.84, and here it's at $10.55. But we went ahead and scanned it. We're going to show you the price that we scanned it for in this location. All right, you ready? All right, so my husband has his phone. Look at this, you guys. $3.20. Boom.
Now we said we were gonna wait till about $2.50 or so. So we're close enough to where
yes,
it's a good bargain at this point.
We're gonna actually take these. So it's the Pioneer Woman Breezy Blossoms 20-ounce double wall tumbler. Oh, that's a mouthful. Look at this, you guys. $3.20. Again, you guys can see the yellow tags on here. It says $10.55, but you always have to scan. I'm going to show you the UPC, and the other Pioneer video that we did yesterday, we're going to link it below. So if you didn't see it, go ahead and click on it. There's the UPC. We actually found these, so we're going to take these. We're going to take them, right? $3.25?
Of course we're going to take them.
Okay, so we're going to take them. And the second item that we found, you guys, remember we showed you these. You guys remember in the video yesterday. Now, if you guys watched the video, they were coming up $7. You guys can see the regular price at $8.76. And it says, the yellow tag says the 4-pack Mason. And again, it says 7. And they were actually scanning up 7 at the Walmart we went to yesterday.
Yeah.
We're at a different Walmart, and they're scanning up a different price.
Always. You
yes.
Always scan, always check different Walmarts, always check back at that same location, because you never know when the price is going to drop.
Yes, you guys. And this Walmart that we're at right now is probably a couple blocks from the other one we went to. So we're gonna
get this.
Yes. And we're gonna head over to the other Walmart that we hit up yesterday just to see if they got lower. But again, remember these were $7, and we said we were gonna wait until you guys see the price that we found them at this location. And we only found, let's see, 4 sets of 4. So let me tell you what it is again. It is the Pioneer Woman, and this is the 4-piece sapphire 16-ounce drinking mason jars with lids and straws. So you guys can see down here. This, you guys get 4.
Are you gonna want this too? Because I'm gonna put it up.
No, you can sell these. I like that big one better. You guys, he sold that big one that I wanted, and he sold it 20 minutes before we got home. You're messed up. If you guys remember that video, that $3 mason jar that we found, that real big one with the straw, he sold it, and I wanted it.
Not my fault.
That's messed up. So you going to the Dollar Tree and buying me a cheap one?
Anyone you want, your choice.
You so cheap. Okay, so you guys remember these are 7. We're going to go ahead and scan them right now. You ready? You guys are not going to believe this price. All right, so we got our app. Uh-oh, you messing up? Come on, they waiting. Drum roll. Uh-oh, still no price. Unavailable. Come on.
Oh my, so disrespectful.
All right, come on. Let's see if the 3rd time works.
There you go.
Okay. All right, you guys, you ready for this? Look at that. $2.65. Pioneer Woman 4-pack Mason Sapphire. Look at this, you guys. We just went to another Walmart yesterday. The video that we posted yesterday, they were $7. We went a couple blocks to another one the following day. Look at this, $2.65.
Boom.
And that's for 4. I'm gonna need you to say the boom this time. Say it.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Look at that, you guys. So We found 4, so we're gonna take 4. We found a few of these, and we're gonna go back over to the Walmart that we went to yesterday that we found all the Pioneer Woman, just to double check and make sure that they didn't go down in price. But you guys have to run, and this is why we tell you guys stores may vary, because I mean,
never know.
You never know. I mean, we have so many Walmarts in our area that we might go to one, it's full price. We go to another one down the block, and it's more than 90% off.
Another thing you want to check is what we always do. We got this at a clearance, so we'll take a double check in the regular aisle where it should be, and see if they have more just sitting in the regular aisle.
I think you're telling them too much now.
So
that's our big secret. Yeah, so again, we check in the clearance, and then we go over to the Pioneer Women's section, the regular section, and we might find more clearance. So let us know below if you guys score. We're gonna go to the other Walmart that we went to yesterday and see if we can score more. But you guys are gonna be looking out for these. These are ringing up $3.25. Was it $3.25? Okay, $3.25. And then these are ringing up, how much was it? $2.65?
I don't remember once I get rid of it.
Oh, we both have short-term memory. All right, we're gonna double check one more time.
$2.65.
Okay, yeah, $2.65, you guys. So you cannot beat this. And this is my favorite find so far, the Pioneer Woman. Let me tell you, how many people did we have come up to us? Are those on clearance? We had about 4 or 5 women come up to us. Are those on clearance? We were like, yep. We told them how much. We told them where it's located, because we left 2 there.
It's gonna be a cat fight for it.
It's gonna be a cat fight, yeah. So let us know below if you guys find these, but these are excellent. They're huge, and they're only $5 at Walmart.